For us, the shade structure was really important. We're a growing school, 600 kids now, and we have limited shade in our school, and we've got a growing role, and our school hall is not big enough for whole school assemblies. So for us, it's a twofold, a outdoor space in summer, and in winter also we can be under here when it's raining. We had a number of companies who were interested in building our structure. We did our due diligence, and Steve, my property consultant, had worked with Shade Systems for a number of years, and they were by far the best company to deal with. From the very start, Tyrone came in and he walked me through what it would look like. He showed me other structures from other schools, and when he came in with our draft plans, it was just fantastic. To be fair, the Shade Systems was a bit more expensive, but the final outcome was basically why we went with it. And talking to other schools who'd used Shade Systems, that's why we went with them. The feedback's just been amazing. Our kids love it. They're out here every morning after school. Our teachers are using it for PE, for dance. After school, families are using it. So the whole idea is like community use. We want our families using it after school and the weekend. So it just makes the school look amazing too. We've got some fantastic pads with our school logos on it and our values. It's a real asset for us. I would totally recommend Shade Systems to any other schools or communities. To me, Shade Systems is about quality product, excellent people to deal with, and a friendly, family-based company.